How to fix your screen size on PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, we will learn how we can fix our display resolution or the screen size on our PlayStation. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now maybe your display resolution isn't fitting onto your TV on your PlayStation, and let's say it's a little bit messed up. I will show you how you can adjust and fix that. The very first thing we will do is we will simply go to settings. So as you can see on the very right hand side, you have the settings option. Go to settings and you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Over here, what we will do is actually simply go to the option which says sound and screen. So as you can see right over here, it says sounds and screen. I will simply click on it. Now the very first thing you could do is you can see this option which says display area settings. So you could tap on display area settings and you can choose to enlarge or to shrink it. So if you want to enlarge it, basically you have to simply actually hold the D-pad up on your controller. So as you can see, the screen size is actually decreasing if I press the down button, as in this case. So I will also show you on my controller right over here. So as you can see, my controller is right on this particular page, and I will simply press this button in order to actually shrink down the size, and I will simply press this in order to simply enlarge the size. So let me just go ahead and show you how that looks like again. If I press the up button, you can see the four corners are actually moving up to fit the screen. If I tap the down button and press and hold it, you can see it is shrinking down to the screen. So this is the first way to actually customize it. You can simply enlarge it to maximum depending upon your TV's resolution. You could come back. The other thing you could also customize is your video output settings. So you can tap on video output setting and you could go to resolution first of all. Once you go to resolution, you have basically multiple options on the screen, such as 480p, 720 pixels, 1080i and 1080p. Currently in my case it is set to 1080p, but if yours is set to, let's say, 480 or let's say 720p for example, and that could be one of the reasons why it is not focusing. So as you can see, this could also be one of the reasons, and you could go ahead and change to 1080i or to 1080 pixels. So let me show you how this 1080i looks at as well. As you can see, this is also perfectly fine, and 1080p also works perfectly fine if you look closely on the screen right over here. You can also change the RGB range, which is that changes only when you're using an HDMI device that doesn't send RGB range information correctly. Now you can leave this to automatic. You can also select HDR, adjust the HDR, dip, color input, and video output information. You could come back and select audio output settings and so on. But basically these were some of the ways, and if some of the issues from your PlayStation didn't fix it, what you could do is you could also adjust it using your TV remote. So in my case, aside from my PlayStation remote, you can see I also have my TV remote. On my TV remote, I will simply tap the menu button. I will go to display settings. I will go ahead and adjust all of the resolution of my TV depending upon what your brand, your TV, and where other controls are. And hopefully this would have fixed your issue, and if it did fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.